Want to unlock true cinematic sound on your HiSense Roku TV? Here's how to properly connect and set up your soundbar using HDMI ARC or eARC for the best possible sound experience. First, grab a high-speed HDMI cable. Plug one end into your soundbar's HDMI port, then plug the other end into the HDMI port on your TV labeled ARC or eARC. This part is important. If you connect it to a regular HDMI port, the soundbar may not work correctly. Once the cable is connected and your TV is on, you may see a pop-up asking to set up your soundbar with the TV. Just select Continue and it will start loading. After that, your soundbar setup will be complete. You may also see a Roku demo screen to test your soundbar sound, and you're all set. But if you don't get any pop-up after connecting the soundbar, just go to Settings, then Sound. Next, select Audio Output and change it from TV speakers to ARC. Now, here's a helpful tip. If you want to control both your TV and soundbar with one remote, turn on the HDMI-CEC features. Go to Settings, then System, and select Control Other Devices, CEC. Now turn on One Touch Play first, then System Audio Control to control your soundbar using only your TV remote. This lets your soundbar turn on automatically when the TV powers on, and it also allows your TV remote to control the soundbar volume directly. And that's it. Your HiSense Roku TV and soundbar are now properly connected using HDMI ARC or eARC. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay tuned with Fix369 for more.